Take a ride in the 2021 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power trunk, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Genesis certified pre-owned vehicles are meticulously inspected by qualified Genesis technicians and come with a comprehensive Genesis CPO limited warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and a vehicle history report. Talk to your local Genesis dealer today to find out more.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.